Hey guys, in this lecture we will talk about transform effect. So first of all, let's understand with the simple document and then we will apply and we will create a scarf. Okay, so let's create a new document, file, new, and here we wanna something square, like you can take 1,000 by 1,000 or 100 by 100, and this is demo for transform effect. Okay, create. So I have 1,000 by 1,000 pixels. Okay. And next thing we wanna do, let me take my layer panel, so I can see what is happening here. And now let me take my line tool and I wanna create two lines. I don't wanna fill color, I just wanna stroke. So let me create a straight line, press and hold shift key so you can make a straight line. And if you are not sure it's in the middle or not, you can select it and you can line from here. And next, create another line, perpendicular line, and press and hold shift key for straight. And now select this and again make sure it's in the middle. Okay, now we have this. Next thing, we wanna apply transform effect. So make sure you select this target and go to effect, distort and transform, and we wanna make, like, suppose 8 copies. So total we have 360. So if you want to find angle, you can divide 360 by 8, and here I will get 45. And suppose you want to only 6, in that case maybe you will get 60-degree angle here. Okay, so you can do a little bit calculation here. And now everything looks good. I can say okay. And now I want to apply transform effect again. I can go to effect, distort, transform, apply new effect, and I wanna reflect in X, okay, and only one copy. Click OK. So now our document is ready, and we can bring our brushes here. So how we can bring our brushes? So you can click here and other library, go to downloads. I have in download, but maybe you have at different location, you can find there. And now you can select this and yeah, maybe this one, and press shift key, go down and click on this. Now all brushes are selected. I can go here, add to brush. And now I already added them, and you can see here, I have all my brushes here. And let me move here and let's keep brushes here. Okay. And now I can take my brushes and I can draw. Okay, I can draw with my pen tool or brush tool. So let's try now. And now you can see I'm drawing just this part, and I'm creating this mandala kind of flower. Okay. So if you're gonna finish this, escape key. Okay, now let's take blow brush and you can create some beautiful dots. Let me smaller, or maybe I have a nice circle in the middle. So yeah, this is like how you use transform effect. Okay. Now let's go to file and create a new document. And now we are creating a new document, so we can create our scarf. Okay. Scarf pattern. Let me take 1800 by 1800. And if you check this in inches, it's 25 by 25 inches. Okay. And this is my scarf. Create. Yeah, and yeah, one thing which is really important for transform effect, we use a square artboard. Okay. Next we wanna a sphere. Okay, so we can draw in that sphere. Okay, so let's take rectangle, rectangle tool and click. Okay, and now we wanna enter half of 1800. Okay, so it's 900 by 900. Click OK. And I don't wanna fill. I have this and I can move here. Okay, so I can use my line panel and I can move here. Okay. Now, next thing we wanna do, we wanna draw something here. Okay, so you can draw um, from here, or you can bring something here. Okay, let me turn off. You can see. Oops. Let me turn on just this. Yeah, I have these gaps here. And so I don't want to use it. But yeah, I can edit it. But for now, I want to use this one. So I can take it, Control C. And let me copy here, Control V. And I can move this here. I can make it bigger if I want. And let me place here. And now, next, we are creating a clipping mask. Okay, so I already explained how to create a clipping mask, but uh, we wanna do in a different way here. Usually when we create a clipping mask, we create a solid shape on the top of our artwork, and then we select both and we apply clipping mask. But here we are doing with this one. Okay, so we have our rectangle. I want to move it here, not here, just all the way here. And now make sure nothing is selected here. Now we can click on this top layer and we can go here and I can find make clipping mask. And now this rectangle shape is underlined. It means the clear clipping mask is applied, and even you can go back and you can check, like it's saying release clipping mask. It means we already applied it. Now we can move this layer here because It's not affecting anything now. And so this is our layer where we can draw. So draw here. Now let's create another layer. And we wanna create a boundary, okay? So we can get our artwork or like pattern, whatever we are creating in that boundary, okay? So for that, we need another rectangle, and you can create bigger than this, or you can keep same size. I'm keeping same, like you can go bigger, like you can create a 2000 by 2000, but I want to keep it same. Okay. And now this is a boundary. I don't wanna any fill and stroke color, and I can align this in middle. And now I have this. I can ignore this rectangle because just this is the boundary, nothing else. And now one thing we can do, so this is our boundary, okay? So we can select this and we can drag or draw here, layer under this one, okay? And now click here, an empty space to make sure it's nothing is selected. Just select this target, okay? Click here, and now we will apply our transform. So one way you can go here and you can find transform effect, or you can go to window appearance. So we are using appearance panel here. Make sure target is selected. And now go here, FX, and find distort, transform. For this, we don't wanna copy. Instead of this, we wanna reflect at this side. And I mean, we don't wanna so many copies. We just wanna reflect at this side and this side. I mean, 4 pieces we want. So let me apply in X direction, 1 copy, and same thing I wanna in Y direction. So transform, apply new effect. We want 1 copy in Y direction. Click OK. Okay. So now you can see in appearance panel we have 2 transform effect. Okay. So you can check here, like we already applied or not. Okay. So now they are applied and now it's ready. So yeah, one thing you can do, like now if I click here, I don't see that square shape, and I'm not sure where I can finish my artwork. So I can click on this and I can give a stroke color. So I can see my boundary, like you can choose any color. We will remove this later. Okay. So now we have this color. We can start drawing. We can take our brush tool or pen tool, whatever you want. And same, like if you want your brushes, go to other library, downloads, pattern brushes, and select them, press and hold shift key, add to brush, and now close it. Okay, so not just these, we have so many border brushes here also. Like you can click here and we have some border brushes here also. So you can use them also. Okay, like suppose I wanna border decorative. Okay? So you can see we have several pattern brushes here. Okay. And same way, like if you want to add here, you can go and you can select, suppose I want to use, I want to use which one? Yeah, I want to use this one. I can click and you can see here. Or more than one, I can select more than one. And I can go here, I have to brush it. Okay, so this is the way we can add our brushes here. Okay. Now let's draw. Okay. So I can take my flower. I'm gonna change color. I have my color palette here. So let me select this color. I control C, pencil, go here, and then copy this number here, and okay. Now I have red color and I can use that. Okay, let me try now. It's small flower. Okay. So if I wanna increase size, I can go here and I can increase size. I can move it. Make it bigger. And then I can take my brush. I can use this one here. If you feel it stretch, you can go here, scale proportionally. I think I applied this brush here also somehow. Let me go back and see. And yeah, now let me change my brush. And let me do size also. Now let's see. Yep, it's working. It looks better. Even I can combine more than one if I want. Yep. Here. And even I can draw here. Let me apply same flower here. Click. Mm, and this one again here. And change my brush and let me create border. Okay, so let me use this one. And when I'm drawing border, make sure you press an Alt Shift key so you can get straight line. Oops. I think it's in black color. Let me use another one. I don't want to change color. Let me try this one. So yeah, you can see we have a corner tile, so we can apply this with our pen. I can create a straight line, press an Alt Shift key for straight line. Again, straight line. and finish this. And now I can select this and I can apply my border. Yeah, you can apply this one. Let me see. Yeah, you can try different version. And if you want to edit it, you can zoom in. And now I use my pen tool. That's why I don't have any gap here, but you can do same thing with the brush also. Let me raise this. I can double click and I can raise. And I think we have a gap here. Okay, so this is lesser, look, this look wider, so we can go and we can move this point. We can go here and we can make it straight. Okay, so yeah, and if you want to apply your border with brush, you can take your brush and select the border. Let me see which one. We focus on. Oh, okay. So yeah, we can do this like it's already applied. I can change and I can delete this one. Okay, here. Go straight. I'm gonna go straight. So press an or shift key. And why it's not working, I'm not sure. Let me try again. Draw, press shift key. And it's not working. So yeah. Let me select this. And let's try again. So yep, now it's working. There you go. And same thing we can do this side. I can start here and when I'm starting, press and hold shift key and finish here. And now we can edit it. We can go here and we can take this and we can be along. It looks better. Yep. And now suppose you want to apply background color. So for background color, you can go to your bottom square shape. Okay. And remember we applied stroke. We don't want to stroke now. Let me remove stroke and we want to apply background color. So we can choose a background color now and click OK. Still, I don't see color. And let me go back. Yep, there you go. So now I don't have any stroke color, but I have fill color. Now let me click here and now it's ready. Okay. Yeah, I didn't change this color. but yeah, you can change if you want to change. Okay. Now, how to export it? So you can go to File, Export, Save for Web, and you can give a name. You can select format like you want in JPEG or PNG, and yeah, looks good. Save and find a location, scarf, action, oops, and save. And even you can save your file also. File, save, save on your computer, and then you can give a name and you can find a folder like where you want to save it. Okay, so but I don't want to save it, so let me cancel it. And this is ready. Like, then let me bring it here. Okay, so here you can see we already saved it. And yeah, thank you.